Hey, bestie. Happy Monday. It's your wealth best friend, Jayla. It's a great day because we're celebrating love. It's Valentine's Day. And an even better day for Cali natives, I'll say, because we're celebrating a National Football League championship. Go Rams. I even hear that the Hollywood sign here has a new look. Rams house. Today, let's chat about taxes. Yes, it is that time again. Tax filing season just began January 24th, and the deadline to submit for individuals is Monday, April 18th, 2022. And because we're not paying penalties and interest, it's not an option. 5% of the amount due for each month of your return, if it's late, adds up pretty quickly. So that's not an option. You have till before April because we want to get it done. Hence why I'm talking to you about it in February, way before the deadline. So you can go back to doing things that have to do with 2022 and leave 2021 where it is in the past. So, you know, the IRS wants their money now, and it's weird, but they're willing to accept the documents later. So if you do an extension, just know you still got to pay by the deadline. You have until April to contribute to your retirement accounts to get credit for 2021. So don't forget to do that because we're not trying to work forever. We want to be able to retire. We want to be able to chill out, relax, and do whatever we want when we want, when we retire, whenever that is, because it doesn't have to be 65 or older. And that same principle goes for your IRA, your HSA, your solo 401k, and your SEP plan. You have until the deadline to get the money contributed and to carry it for it to count for 2021. See, I don't even want to say 2021 because it's like we're in 2022. Also, for all of my military and all of the US taxpayers that are living and working abroad, you have until June 15th to get those tax forms submitted, or you can request a 4-month return extension. I know it's hectic, but again, I'm giving y'all the same advice, even though you're out of the country and working, get your taxes done as early as you can so you can focus on 2022. All of my besties should have an easy tax season with regards to investments because we bought, but what did we not do? We didn't sell. We're not in on the meme stocks, buying and trying to get a little quick money. That's not what we're here for. Wealth Best Friend is not about that. We're about that long term. So we didn't sell anything. So the only thing you should have to report about your investments is any dividends and interest received, depending on what you bought and if they offer dividends and interest. And then you'll have a 1099 that tells you all of that information and how much you have to report. And we should also have interest statements from our high yield. I say high because it's not as high yield bank accounts. So you should have been earning money on your checking account or savings accounts. And if you're not, there's a Money Monday about that and where to get those. I've recommended some accounts for you that I'm personally using, of course. So get those W-2s and the business profit and loss sheets ready and get to filing your taxes. Believe me, I sat here all week and some on, what was that, Sunday, right before the Super Bowl, getting my taxes together because I have an individual, I have 2 businesses, and I have real estate. So all of those require different schedules. I got it done and submitted to my CPA. So I'm hoping to be done, if not this week, next week. But I know tax season is super busy for a lot of CPAs and a lot of EAs. So make sure that you're giving them adequate time to do your returns and do them correctly and that you're checking them over. As always, I'm around if you need a bestie to chat with. If you're looking for long-term investing and want to learn how, head to On My Own Financial. If you're ready to work with me one-on-one, head to On My Own Financial and book a one-on-one consult. I'm here. We're talking about wealth. Until next time, keep living your healthy, wealthy life. Love, your wealth best friend. See y'all next week.